Alright, Desert Dog fans. I don't want this to become a drone channel, but I just wanted to kind of show you some of my my efforts at becoming a better drone pilot. This video is going to be an example of not being a good drone pilot. So here I was trying to do the active track feature, and I didn't realize that there was a tree in the way, and there's no avoidance system on the Spark, on the side part of it, only the front. So this happened, and this was basically, it took about 2 days to get this out of this tree over at Dorado Park. The lesson that I learned from this experience was to be very aware of my surroundings and the projected trajectory of the Spark, especially when you put it into automatic mode. Because once you put it into automatic, you have to be very fast to get it back to manual. And I wasn't fast enough. And learned my lesson. I did get to meet a lot of other drone pilots over there at Dorado Park, because I was flying at the area where a lot of folks were flying their model airplanes. And as they said, if you're going to take up this hobby, you're going to wind up in the trees every once in a while. But still, lesson learned, and I found some different tactics on how to retrieve a drone. So that's my my adventures in drone crashing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.